In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Envato shared subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pick the right Envato Elements team plan, configure it for your group, and finalize your purchase with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to elements.envato.com. This is the official Envato Elements website where you'll find all the creative assets and subscription options. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the correct domain before you continue. Next, head to the top of the page and click Pricing. This takes you to a clear breakdown of the available plans. If you see prices in a different currency, that's usually based on your region. The figures you see may vary over time and by location, so treat the displayed price as the current official rate. On the pricing page, look for the team plan. This is the shared subscription option designed for groups. You'll often see an example for 3 members with the monthly cost shown. Think of the team plan as seats for individual teammates. It's not about sharing one personal login. Each member gets their own access under your team, which keeps licensing and usage compliant. From here, adjust the number of members you need. You can choose anywhere from 2 to 5 seats in this flow. Take a moment to count your collaborators, including contractors who'll need to download or license assets. It's better to have the exact number of seats you'll actively use, and you can typically update your team later if things change. When you've selected the team size, click Start Now. This will move you into the setup and checkout process. You'll be asked to set up your team plan details. Fill in the account information carefully, including the email you want to manage the subscription with. Add your organization or billing name, select your country or region for accurate taxes, and choose a payment method. If the form offers a place to invite teammates, you can add their emails here so they receive invitations as soon as you're done. Double-check all entries for accuracy to avoid delays. Finally, review your plan, team size, and total cost. When everything looks correct, click Complete Order. After payment is processed, you'll see confirmation and gain access to your team dashboard. From there, you can manage members, send or resend invites, and start downloading assets right away. Remember, each teammate should license assets to their own projects from within their account to keep everything properly covered. And that's it. You've successfully purchased an Envato shared subscription with the team plan.